Hello, welcome to the first week of this massive open online course, Introduction to PLSQL Program Units. You are viewing the first video of this week, getting started with week 1. As part of this course, you are introduced to the different PLSQL program units such as stored procedures, functions, packages, and triggers. You will learn how to handle different runtime exceptions in these program units. All these concepts are explained with reference to real-world application scenarios. This MOOC is an extension of the Oracle Developer MOOC PLSQL Fundamentals, whose content is freely available on Oracle Learning Library. To be able to better understand the concepts in the current MOOC, we encourage you to first go through the contents of the PLSQL Fundamentals MOOC. You can find the link to the PLSQL Fundamentals learning path in the YouTube video description. Before we start the course, let's review the topics you should be familiar with. You should have the basic knowledge of SQL and PLSQL, and you should be able to run DTL statements to create database objects and DML statements to retrieve and manipulate data from the database. Employ SQL functions and run complex queries to retrieve data from multiple tables. Explain how PLSQL programs are executed with the help of PLSQL architecture diagram. Code PLSQL blocks that interface with the database. Use control structures, loops, and explicit cursors in PLSQL programs. All these concepts are explained in the PLSQL Fundamentals MOOC that's available as a learning path on OLL now. This course is only the first step in your journey of mastering PLSQL application development. If you are interested in taking the PLSQL certification exam or would like to gain deeper knowledge about these program units, your next destination will be attending the corresponding instructor-led training course offered by Oracle University or OU. OU courses are also delivered as live virtual class or training on demand offerings. Refer the link given in the YouTube video description for more details. Let's look at the major objectives of this course now. This course aims at enabling you to write simple subprograms in PLSQL with exception handlers that can handle different types of PLSQL exceptions, group related objects of your application into packaged units, write event-based logic to automate your application requirements with the help of triggers, and improve your application's code with the help of best coding practices. These objectives will be explained to you in relation to appropriate real-world scenarios that are based on a simple PLSQL application called HR Administration System. In your journey through this course, you will meet the course persona named Jill. Jill is an application developer who plans to enhance the HR administration system with the help of PLSQL program units. In this process, she explores many features of PLSQL, each of which is explained in detail in each video. This course is presented in the form of small videos organized into 3 lessons. Each lesson is released each week consecutively. The first lesson, named Working with Stored Procedures and Functions, consists of 5 videos in total. After you get an overview of week 1, the video titled Introducing Stored Procedures and Functions refreshes the basics of PLSQL blocks and gets into further details about named blocks or subprograms in PLSQL. You will learn what stored procedures and functions are and the differences between them. The next video covers specific details about creating stored procedures in PLSQL applications. You will learn the step-by-step process of creating and invoking stored procedures with the help of sample code. The fourth video in this week explains how to debug stored procedures in SQL Developer. You will learn about the features of SQL Developer debugging tool and get a demonstration of debugging a sample stored procedure using this debugger. Towards the end of this week's videos, you will learn how to create and invoke stored functions in PL/SQL. You will see a detailed demonstration of creating a sample stored function. At the end of each week, you will get homework assignments so that you can solve them to gain a better practical exposure to the concepts learned in that week. If you have any questions regarding homework assignments or are stuck while doing the homework, you can collaborate with us and other students via the course forum to get help. Looking forward to your wholehearted participation this week. Thank you. Have a great day.